Chapter 6. Tux Paint. Introduction. Tux Paint is a free drawing program. It has an easy-to-use interface, fun sound effects, and an encouraging cartoon mascot, which helps you when you draw and color. Tux Paint has a lot of options for funny drawings, animation, and magical effects. It was created by Bill Kendrick in 2002. What is Tux Paint? Tux Paint is a software in which you can draw and color. It is now a hugely popular painting and drawing application which allows you to select pictures from thumbnails, drag them on the drawing canvas, and apply color on them. It provides various creative tools, funny animations, and magical effects. Tux Paint can be downloaded from www.tuxpaint.org. A Tux Paint window is called the main screen. The main screen is divided into the following sections. 1. Toolbar. Toolbar contains the drawing and editing controls. 2. Drawing canvas. Drawing canvas is the largest part of the screen in the center. It is used for drawing. 3. Selector. Selector shows different things. 4. Colors. Colors is a palette of different colors where you can choose your desired color. 5. Help area. Help area provides steps and other information while you draw. Paintbrush tool. Paintbrush tool is used to draw picture or drawing. It contains various brush shapes present in its sub-tool box. Follow the given steps to use Paintbrush tool. 1. Click on the Paintbrush tool from the toolbar. More brushes will appear in the select. 2. Click on down arrow button. 3. Choose and click on any brush pattern. The pointer shape changes to paintbrush. 4. Press the left mouse button and drag on drawing canvas. Now release the mouse button. The pattern will be drawn on drawing canvas. Stamp tool. Stamp tool is used to put a stamp and add images in your drawing. It has a set of rubber stamps or stickers. Follow the given steps to use Stamp tool. 1. Click on the Stamp tool. 2. Select any one stamp from the sub-tool box. Click on right or left arrow for more stamps or click on down arrow and up arrow. 3. Click on the slope bar to increase and decrease the size of stamps. 4. Click on the canvas to put the stamp. Lines tool. Lines tool is used to draw straight lines using various brushes and colors you normally use with the paint tool. It has the same brush shapes in the sub-tool box. Follow the given steps to use Lines tool. 1. Click on the Lines tool. 2. Select any one from the sub-tool box. 3. Select any one pattern from the sub-tool box. Drag the mouse on canvas by clicking left button. Click on down arrow and up arrow for more patterns or lines. 4. As you release the left mouse button, you will get a straight pattern. Shapes tool. Shapes tool is used to draw some simple filled and unfilled shapes. Various shapes like circle, square, oval, etc. are present in the selector on the right. Follow the given steps to use Shapes tool. 1. Click on the Shapes tool. 2. Choose any shape from the sub-shape tools. 3. Select color from the Colors tool and draw the shapes. 4. As you release the left button of the mouse, an arrow appears on the screen to rotate shape. You can rotate shapes in any direction by rounding the mouse on the shape. Label tool. Label tool is used to type the text in different fonts and style. Follow the given steps to type the text with style fonts using the Label tool. 1. Click on the Label tool. 2. Select any one text style from the subtool box of letters. 3. Click on Canvas and type what you want. Magic Tool. Magic Tool is a set of special tools. It is used to draw and give amazing effects to the picture. You can use the Magic Tool by selecting one of the magic effects from the selector on the right toolbar. Then, depending on the tool, you can either click and drag around the picture or simply click the picture once to apply the effect. Drip Magic. Drip Magic tool is used to make parts of the picture look like it is dripping away. Follow the given steps to use Drip Magic. 1. Open a new file in TuxPaint and select the black background. 2. Select the text tool and write the following text. Enjoy with TuxPaint. 3. Now select the Magic tool and click on the drip effect from the subtool box. 4. Drag the magic wand over the text to add dripping effect on it. Flower effect. Repeat. Follow the given steps to make a beautiful design with flower in TuxPaint. 1. Open a new file in TuxPaint. 2. Click on the Magic tool. 3. Choose your desired color from the color palette. 4. Now, select Flower tool from the subtool box. 5. Drag flowers with different colors. 6. Now, select Grass tool from the subtool box. 7. Drag grass in different colors. 8. Now, select ROYGBIV Rainbow tool from the subtool box of Magic tool. 9. Drag the ROYGBIV rainbow over the canvas. Saving a file. Click on Save tool from the toolbar to save the drawing. In a nutshell. 1. TuxPaint is a software in which you can draw and color. 2. Drawing canvas is the largest part of the screen in the center, used for drawing. 3. Help area provides tips and other information while you draw. 4. Paint brush tool is used to draw picture or drawing. 5. Stamp or rubber stamp tool is used to put a stamp and add images in your drawing. 6. Lines tool is used to draw straight lines using the various brushes and colors. 7. Shapes tool is used to draw some simple filled and unfilled shapes. 8. Label tool is used to type the text in different fonts and styles. 9. Magic tool is used to draw and give amazing effects to the picture.
Fill in the blanks.